Well, I think there are quite a few hot topics for equality law in 2014. One that we have certainly over in GB is the issue of the religious rights and sexual orientation rights and the potential conflict between them. This seems to be an ever percolating issue that's being ventilated in the courts. In fact, there's a case this week in the Court of Appeal in England about a woman who was unable or refused to work on Sundays because of her religious beliefs. She was dismissed. Was that unlawful discrimination on religious grounds? That so far the courts have said no, but these kinds of things keep getting challenged. That's one big issue. There are a few others. There's, of course, also in Great Britain, we have this whole question of fees for going to the tribunal and bringing your claim. And that has had a tremendous impact, it seems, in the first few months. Cases are running at about 20% of the year-on-year from the 2012 to 2013 September to September. Comparing those 2 months, I think the number of cases brought in September 2013 is something like 26% of the number of cases that were brought in September 2012. And this is being challenged this week by way of judicial review in the courts. It's being argued that the introduction of fees contravenes the European Union law principle of providing an effective remedy for violations of European law. It's also being argued that it's indirectly discriminatory against women. So the outcome of this is likely to be very important, and I assume that if the government wins, that it won't be too long before fees are introduced in Northern Ireland.